How to remove link on TikTok bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any link from your TikTok bio. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok app. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account, then go onto your profile on your bottom right. In order to remove any link from your bio, just tap on Edit Profile, and here tap on Bio. If you have anything, just tap on this backspace icon, and once done, tap on to save. But in case you would like to remove clickable link from your bio, then go on to Edit Profile again. Under Business Information, you will see an option of Website. Tap on Add your website. If you have any clickable link in your bio, it will be displayed at this page. For that, you need to have a business account. Just like so, you can follow the steps and remove the link from your bio. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.